Budgeting may be intimidating, particularly for newcomers. However, with the correct tools and mentality, you can regain control of your money and reach your financial objectives. To help you started, here are some budgeting ideas for beginners. Tip 1. Begin by keeping track of your spending. Write down everything you spend money on for a month and label it as housing, food, entertainment, and transportation. You'll have a better picture of where your money is going and where you may cut down by monitoring your costs. Tip 2. Make a budget. Once you understand where your money is going, you can build a budget that is in line with your financial objectives. Your income, fixed costs such as rent or mortgage, and variable expenses such as food and entertainment should all be included in your budget. Include a savings allocation for both emergency and long-term aspirations. Tip 3. Maintain your budget. Creating a budget is simply the first step. To see results, you must be consistent and stick to it. Sticking to a budget might be difficult, but with discipline and the appropriate mentality, you'll be well on your way to accomplishing your financial objectives. Tip 4. Automatically save. Having a savings account and having a portion of your salary sent to it automatically may help you save money without even thinking about it. It's a little step that, in the long term, may make a significant impact. Tip 5. Make a list of your costs and prioritize them. All costs are not created equal. Prioritize your spending by deciding which are necessary and which are optional. Essential costs are those required for survival, such as shelter, food, and transportation. Discretionary costs are those that aren't absolutely necessary, such as eating out or entertainment. Tip 6. Set financial objectives. A specific financial objective will help you keep motivated and on track with your budget. Your objectives should be explicit, quantifiable, and attainable. Your goals should be specific, measurable, and achievable. For example, instead of saying "I want to save money," say "I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house." Tip 7. Pay off your debts. Credit card debt, for example, may rapidly eat away at your budget. Prioritizing debt repayment might free up funds in your budget for savings and other financial objectives. Consider devising a debt reduction strategy, such as the snowball or avalanche approach, to assist you in paying off debt fast and effectively. Tip 8. Keep an eye out for impulsive purchases. Impulse purchases may rapidly derail a budget. To prevent impulsive purchases, establish a list of what you need and stick to it before you go shopping. It's also a good idea to wait 24 hours before making a large purchase to allow yourself time to consider if you actually need or desire the item. Tip 9. Look for methods to save money. From collecting coupons to negotiating bills, there are several methods to save money. Look for strategies to reduce spending and extend your budget. Small deposits accumulate over time and may help you attain your financial objectives more quickly. Tip 10. Be adaptable. Life occurs, and your budget may need to be revised as a result. Be adaptable and prepared to make changes as required. You'll be well on your way to meeting your financial objectives if you follow these budgeting suggestions. Remember that budgeting is a process that takes time to see benefits. However, with the correct tools and mentality, you can regain control of your money and reach your financial objectives.